Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you know you have not subscribed yet, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at CADJPY. Like I recommend, if you are watching some of my CADJPY, is this some of my JPY peers, sorry, is CADJPY I actually recommend, right? Other than CADJPY and New Zealand JPY, those are the two JPY pairs I would very much recommend you to actually take a trade on. So let's take a look at what CADJPY will be playing for this week. So let's start with these movements first. On the weekly time frame, at first, we can see that this clearly is a massive movement, and right now we can see that price is now rolling up. We can now see that price has actually given us a breakout above our 10 period simple moving average. Let me add this 20 period and see. So we are now making a move. We are very much likely to hit this 10 period simple moving average. The chances of us hitting this 20 period moving average is very high. Coupled with the fact that this is some key level here, that we've got kind of gotten a reaction here. So we need to watch out for this level. This is why I recommend trading CAD JPY compared to other JPY peers. So you can see that this is a level here. This is also a level. So this CAD JPY is very much likely to tap this level before maybe it will continue to go up or it will actually drop. That I'm going to give you an update. It just depends on how price will play out. I'll give you an update on that. But right now, we would want to take this buy up at least to a level of 101, right? Let's say a level of 101. Currently, we are trading at 99. So CAD JPY, I love it. This is what I'll be trading. We can see it has broken above our moving average. 10 period simple moving average, the chances of us hitting 20 period moving average is very high, coupled with the fact that this level area is also a key level. So down to the daily time frame, guys, I think there will be a news that will be released on CAD JPY. If I'm not sure, I think that's we very much. It just depends on how you play out, though. There are going to be a lot of noise and a lot of volatility, during that CAD JPY. Well, let's get to this technical aspect of this. So we can see that this is move breakout. We can see that price is dropping. There's every possibility price will drop to tap this 10 period simple moving average before it actually goes up. But the chances is slim. I like the same. It is not. It is. Will I say it is not impossible? It is very much possible for price to tap this 10 period simple moving average, then come to a level of 1-1. So if in case we take a entry point here to this our level of 1-1, that will be about 180 pips, right? If you can grab 800 pips and you're opt out of the market, it will be safe. You don't have to be greedy, right? You don't need to have a kind of like a big eye that you want to grab everything on the market. If you can grab about 100 pips, you opt out, you are very much safe. At least that would be good, or 120 pips. We can also see that price, you can see 10 period moving average crossover has played out. 10 period is above our 20 period. So this is very much likely to continue to push up for some times. That is why I said I love and I recommend you trade CAD JPY. Now downward to the 4-hour time frame. So like I said, price is actually dropping. So if in case price actually drops to this same level, it's going to tap our 10 period simple moving average on the daily time frame. You can see this level that I've highlighted here. So if in case price drop, it's going to tap this our 10 period simple moving average on the daily time frame. But when you sit on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that I've also highlighted this level. We see we've gotten a reaction here. So do not be surprised if price comes to tap this level before it actually starts going up. So that is what I have. Now, to those that are interested in taking trade, probably you're having some loss in your account, you can actually sign up to my Patreon channel. What I tend to do is put out trade for the day and also trade for the week. High probability trade, not just anyhow trade. You can see last week we actually had a successful trade, right? We actually had about one trade. Last week also, we also had a successful trade. This week, I've posted some trade we will be taking for the week. And also, I've posted, two trades that will be taken on Monday once market opens. So if in case you are interested in taking this trade, right, all you just have to do is check the comment section. I'll put a link in the Patreon channel below. Become one of my subscribers. You are going to take a trade. I can assure you that you are going to get the best trade, by the way. And one thing is that if in case you would want to take any trade apart from the one that I'm giving, if you want to take another trade, If you are not comfortable with the one that I give you, but you want to take another treat and you are not comfortable or you are not sure, you can come to me and tell me what do I think about this pair, or I should help you to analyze it, or put it through what do I think the entry point will be. With that I can actually help you. Like I said, the link will be in the comment section below.